Yeah, so I also talked about newsletters or magazines. Some of you maybe are authors, you write books. You can as well search for book covers. For example, if I write book covers for what? For which field? Let's say book covers for energy industry. I know Khadija is in that industry, energy industry.
Yes, thank you.
If I search for something like that, if you are to write a book, then these are some of the covers that you can have. But sometimes it is also good to be very specific. Yeah. Okay. Let's say book covers for solar energy. And we do like this. So it will be something like this. So you design, you change the colors, you change the pictures, so that you have something that really talks to something that you like. Okay. So as I mentioned, Kuti, sometimes you are not just designing for yourself all the time. This is the opportunity for you also to design for other people, and then you can earn something from this. So for us, we are just empowering you with some of the digital skills that we know we can manage to give people. But the next steps, it's up to you how you want to use Canva. Yeah, I have been using Canva for so many things, and people even asking me to design something for them. If we go to projects, for example, you see that I worked on, wait, if I go to show more, I designed something like this. This is the school, they're enrolling a new team, and I had to make an advert for them. And these other posters are some of the initiatives that I'm doing with other people. Yeah. So it's not only designing for yourself, but also designing for others. And it's up to you for if you are to design for free or if you are to charge them. So let's say we want to write a newsletter. Template for, you need also to be specific. Let's say newsletter template for schools. If I click like this, yeah, first I go to templates. I think it was still under my projects. So we say newsletter for schools. Yeah, so if we take, for example, this one, as this one is loading, you can as well scroll down and see if there's something that you would like to use instead of this one. Yeah, but in our case, we want to use this one. Yeah, so you can always increase the size, and then you replace the text, you replace the pictures, and the way of replacing the pictures, when the pictures are already available, you don't just go to uploads and click the pictures, but you go to uploads and you drag the pictures to replace the available pictures. Yeah, so I was saying that when we are working with newsletters, when you are done with the first page, let me remove this one first. You are done with first page. You want to add another page. You click where it says add page. So you can do this up to 100 pages. So a blank page will come like this one. And then you need to go where it says design here. If you click here, you're going to get other templates, which when you click, then they will come here to the blank space. So this is our first page. You can decide to say the second page will be this one, for example. It will come on second page. You go to third page, you do the same. If you go to third page, you do the same. You go to designs, and then you choose another style like this one. It will come like this. So you can do this up to 100 pages. When you're done designing, then you come to share. And for the newsletter, we know you need to download it as a PDF. So you don't download it as a picture. You can download it as a PDF. When you come here, you can always just choose PDF. So they're saying there's PDF best for documents and emailing. So this is something that maybe you just want to share to be in a digital form. But then there's also PDF best for printing. So if you are going to print copies, then you need to download the PDF for printing. So that's how it is with the newsletters.